We are rolling. Check it out, guys. This is Emrys. Never been so light. Look at that, like wheelie. Only motorcycles are like that. Robert, you'd be like in the corner, you're like, oh yeah, knee down. Anyways, I made this a rolling chassis. Okay, so now I need to get on the other side of the bike. We're gonna, okay, is this trailer gonna flip up? Maybe you go walk and stand in the back?
Sure.
Is it gonna,
Yeah. No, it'll be fine.
Yeah. You step yourself. And just walk in the back and I'll roll her up.
Yeah. Do we need that rear stand to hold it up, or no?
Yeah, you want to balance it right there?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. If anybody's going to get any Pitbull stuff, go in my description of my later YouTube videos. Check the description and you're going to see my affiliate link. Every bit helps. You're a superbike wanderer. Alright, this is going to be awesome. Let me get this Pitbull trailer restraint here. Here, Robert, can you pass me it?
Oh.
So,
Yeah, it's still.
actually the trailer, like the bike is pretty long compared to the trailer. You don't quite see it normally, but the bikes are long, huh? Mm-hmm. Alright, well, just roll her forward, slide her forward. We're just emulating just into the frame right about there. Just a little bit of gap from the front.
Yeah, it's a little bit crooked.
Wow, this is cool with the trailer all white, huh?
Yeah,
Whose idea was that?
that was my idea. It looks awesome, right?
And then you got the epoxied floor.
Yep.
I can't believe I didn't do this for all these years. I've fallen on that trailer, some bad falls, slipping in the snow. Looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, that does give me some storage area.
Well, plus we'll probably have the fuel cans. Well, actually the
Yeah.
fuel cans could be on the front right and make use of that useless space, but the perfect gap. And we'll have like a thing to strap them down with. I'll put some hooks on. Anyways, guys, that's the Pitbull trailer restraint. So, actually, why don't you grab it and put her on the wheel like we just did for an example, Robert. Remember with the two pins?
Yep.
And then we're going to put the plate underneath it and we'll simulate. So you need the pins. Where are they at? Oh, right there. Yeah. So when you order the trailer restraint, you order it with the pins that fit your bike. So put the pin, first you pick this up.
So one goes in there.
So put one in that side, lock that one down first. But literally you should put the pin in first, Robert, on that one.
What do you mean?
Put that pin in right now and lock it down
Like that?
with this thing right through here. Because that won't just stay, and then you insert the other one. That's the trick. You don't need to remove both pins all the time. Yeah, there you go. And so you just feed that into the spot, and then while you're holding it, yeah, you got to go in straight and then hook in, and then grab the other one while you're holding it and shove it in. And then you put that pin in.
Yep.
It's pretty easy on the rear stand right now, actually, but so you got to do this when you're balancing the bike.
Yep.
And all right, guys. So then, pretty much, we grab. Whoa. Holy smokes!
Too much weight.
All right, we're gonna end on that note.